Welcome back to the No Limit Crypto channel. So in this video we are going to take a look at Matic. Matic is right now making moves. I'm going to tell you why I think Matic is going to be the next altcoin to pump, and I'm also going to give you a nice price prediction at the end. So if you enjoy these daily cryptocurrency videos, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into the charts. So what has happened on Matic? We see we finally broke a downtrend. We broke a trendline resistance. So what does that mean for us right now? That means a lot of good things. There's actually just a few hurdles left until we are ready to really pump up. And those hurdles you can see on the screen right now. After these, there are not that many hurdles left. So what do we have on the chart? We have resistance lines. And these resistance lines are based on volume profiles. And high obviously right here. But so these are based on volume profiles. If you're interested in my settings for volume profiles, they are right here. Row size 200, value area volume 100. So what we see from the volume profile is that to the upside right here, we're not looking at the point of control, but the point of control is right here, and it is a strong support. But as resistance, we have this zone right here. You can see it's quite wide with a lot of volume. So I believe it is going to be a pretty strong resistance zone for us. That is the first hurdle that we need to break through. The second hurdle is this around $1.6. So $1.60 would be a really hard resistance. We see a spike in the volume profile right here. That means high volume. That's going to be a resistance line. And then I've also drawn a resistance up at the high right here. Just because what I want to see right now happen, I want to see us from here do something like this. I want to see us break all these levels, and preferably we always want to see them get retested too, because that is a healthy thing for the market. So that is what I want to see happen right now. So why do I say that there is actually there's no more hurdles after this towards the all-time high? For that, I want to go on the daily chart. And I'm going to take away this trend line. That doesn't matter right now. And I want to look at this volume profile. So after the $1.80, that's when we have a 35% left up to this high, and we have 50% left to the all-time high. And what I see here on the chart, so I want you guys to compare these zones right here. Obviously we haven't spent that much time up here. But we can see when we have also these candles right here. These candles, when we just see moves up and down, and we see like big candles, there is no real resistance over there. So, I'm already on the daily chart. So what I can see right here is that there's not gonna be a lot of resistance left here. We might see some resistance over here at $2.25, but it's not that major either. So I think after $1.80, we are going to have a fairly smooth ride upwards. And that sounds amazing, because when we start thinking about price predictions, we want to see us pump. We want to create that hype, we want to create that euphoria, because that's when everyone starts FOMOing into the market, buying, and we go absolutely crazy. And this is part of the reason why I've made my price predictions so high, because I think we will start a really amazing pump. After $1.80, I think we will make a big pump to the upside. And at that point, we create that FOMO for people to buy in to the market. And so let's get into my price predictions. I'm gonna clear the chart a little bit, and we are going to take a look at Fibonacci's. Fibonacci's are one of the best tools for predicting prices above all-time highs. Obviously, you have to understand that after we get to an all-time high, we have no reference points in price. We have nothing that we can look at. So we have to have some sort of system for making predictions, and for this, Fibonacci lines work extremely well, and especially the 1.618 Fib line is a really important line, but also 2.618, and you can see the trend 3.618. So we are looking at the 618 lines basically. The 618 line is a important support also. So what are we looking at? The most realistic price prediction is at the 1.618 line. We are looking at a $3.61 Matic. But if this market plays out as I think it will, I think we are not gonna stop here. We are gonna overextend, and we are gonna overextend by a mile. I don't even think that the 2.618 is the target here. I think we are looking at the 3.618 line and a over $7 Matic. A $7 Matic. Listen to that. That has to be music to everyone's ears. $7 Matic. That would be a 400% move from where we are right now. And that is my most optimistic price prediction, but I still think it is realistic that we can reach it if we play out in the way that we start pumping and we create that FOMO euphoria, buying. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Peace out.